Okay, so for this screen capture video, I'm using the database ProQuest, which searches 31 different databases, so quite a wide range. I'm also using the basic search box here and not the advanced search box. So the key terms I'm using are inquiry-based, higher education, and research. So I'm just going to key in those terms here, inquiry based, and as you can see I've encased those in quotation marks so that the database knows to search for those two words together rather than separately, and as you can see the autocomplete box has popped up down below with some suggestive searches, but I'm just going to ignore that for now. But I'm going to use the Boolean operator and key in my next search term, which is higher education, also encased in quotation marks, and my last term, which is research. Now looking at that, I might also use a synonym or an alternative term to higher education, so I'll key in Boolean operator or, and I might use tertiary education as similar term, and in case it in brackets. Alright, let's search and see how many we get. Alright, so 5,483 results. Probably way too much to search for. So, and a lot of the terms aren't highlighted together, so we might just try and narrow that down a bit more. Instead of just research, I might be a bit more specific and use the term undergraduate research to narrow it down a bit more. See how we go. Alright, so that dropped it down to 263 search results, and as you can see our terms are highlighted there. Alright, so studies in higher education, evaluation in higher education, so those look like the names of journals. Role of institutional research, okay, so that looks promising. STEM, science, technology, engineering, botany, plant tissue. Okay, so these seem a bit more science related. So let's see if we can narrow it down further by excluding the term science. And I'm going to do that by keying in the Boolean operator not and the word science and seeing how many search results that comes up with. Okay, so that's narrowed it down to 8 results. Probably wish for a bit more than that, but let's have a look at what we've got here. Okay, undergraduate research, inquiry-based scholarship, approaches to education and change, emphasising inquiry-based, so that's more relevant. Engaging students in research, educational innovations in universities, so definitely a lot more relevant search results there. And as you can see, that is the results of these terms here together, and that is an example of a compound search there. Okay,